Hello, I am Will Pascal.
I am Steven Shankowski.
And I am AJ Pascal.
Okay, William, go ahead and start that guy.
And this is our robot.
What? He's walking the wrong way.
Is he gonna stop?
No.
I don't think so.
He's
Am I
forever
turned back
zoomed.
around?
Oh, cool. Oh,
Oh,
all right. Okay, so his line follow work.
There you go. Oh, hi, I'm Jake Simone. I'm Diego. I'm Sarah Small.
Still a little water, but
Oh.
all right. It got close to the area though, not bad.
Hello, I'm Joey Gallo.
I'm Steven Guyton. I'm Nicholas Sanchez. And this is our robot.
Yeah.
Oh, ran over.
Is that it? Oh, it's trying. It's trying. All right, you got the sound sensor going, and hopefully it's supposed to be way over there somewhere. All right,
Yeah,
good try.
it
Good
got
try. You got
stuck.
the sound sensor going.
What? Oh, can we start it
Okay,
over?
no, just leave it right there. Okay, so if we ran it again and it didn't run over its equipment, it's right there.
If people talk, then it stops.
Okay.
I'm Avery Peterson.
I'm Isaac Momsen. I'm Luke Boyd.
Okay, just nudge it over.
It was on a timer, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Can we try it again since it's on a timer?
It's this thing.
Yeah, it just won't. It just can't get over the ridge.
Here,
Well,
maybe if we flatten it.
hold on.
We have a piece of tape on our table. Here,
Well, we
have a
actually
piece
need.
of. We have a piece.
It's a flag. It's too low.
No, it was like this thing.
It was.
Oh,
the,
and it wasn't needed.
Yeah, it wasn't the.
Okay.
It's not the flag.
Come on, let's try it.
No, it was.
You can probably try it on a different board. Yeah, you can try it. Yeah, they can try it on a different board.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Is there a flatter board? That was pretty good. Okay, let's try it right here. Right here. Hopefully the any differences in distance hopefully won't be too much. Right?
No, it doesn't. It can be shooting.
Okay, hold on.
It was just.
Okay, go.
Hi, I'm Jack Dunn. I'm Ben Hubbs. And I'm Ryan Saylor.
Nice. Good job. Just net.
Hi, I'm Daniel Besso.
Hi, I'm Tristan Ruiz.
Okay.
This is our robot.
All right, so line call is working. Okay. All right.
I'm Parker Reno. And I'm Justin. And this is our robot.
And then.
It's gonna work. It's
You have
gonna
to touch
go.
it again.
Oh. And then touch it again, it'll go backwards. Yes, press it again.
Yeah, push that.
All right. They got it
press
close.
it?
Nice. That's right.
Hi, I'm Charles Cameron. I'm Dave Condon. And I'm Martin Hainsworth. He's gonna feel.
All right. Sound sensor works. Oh, not bad. Pretty close. Good job.
Oh, that's really
Yeah,
quite
really
it
close.
works. That's
Not
really
bad.
quite it works.
Awesome.
Hi, I'm Alfonso Castanos.
I'm Matthew Newman.
I'm Nick Kelly. Oh no.
Nice.
Saved by the bell.
Lucky.
Except there was no bell.
Oh, very good. Good job, though. Good job. You got it right there. Really close.